Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Heavy Mining Equipment and another awesome project. Today we're working on, as you've already read, road reconstruction. And for this job, we need a few trucks, a lot of gravel, and just one machine, the Caterpillar 18M3 grader. The progress of the work depends on the truck driver's skill and how they spread the gravel. If it's spread in a thick layer, the grader will need more time to finish the job. Luckily, all of them are experienced and skilled drivers. Now it's the grader's turn to do its part of the job. Let's delve into the specifications of the Caterpillar 18M3 for those who might not be familiar. This 18M3 model builds on the success of its predecessor, the 16M series, offering additional power and improved features. With approximately 5% more power and a 5.5 meters mold board compared to the 16M3, it ensures enhanced productivity and maintains proper weight balance. It has a standard automatic differential lock for smoother operation and increased powertrain protection, particularly suited for mining operations with 300-ton or smaller trucks. It boasts a wider mold board and the capability to use a more aggressive blade angle. The 18M3 is equipped with two electro-hydraulic joysticks that reduce hand and wrist movement by up to 78%. Operator comfort and efficiency are significantly improved. The intuitive control pattern enables quick productivity for both new and experienced operators. And the cab is well designed to reduce noise and protect the operator from external factors. The cab is also equipped with a multicolor touchscreen information display, serving as the operator's gateway to monitoring machine performance. This display provides a convenient way to modify machine parameters for optimal task performance and access service information for initial troubleshooting, and includes a standard rear vision camera to enhance sight lines to the rear of the machine, ensuring comprehensive monitoring and ease of operation. Equipped with a powerful and efficient Cat C13 engine, the 18M3 generates an impressive 304 horsepower at 1,800 RPM, ensuring top-notch performance in the toughest terrains. And that engine power is more than enough to easily move this 33-ton heavy machine. 500 liters of diesel fuel is more than enough to operate this state-of-the-art machine. That is equivalent to 3 barrels and one 20-liter bucket. And considering the current fuel prices in Serbia, to fill up this monster, you would have to set aside a whopping 850 euros or $930 US. When you are the largest grader in the world, you always... What? Okay, I'm just kidding. When you are the world's largest manufacturer of construction equipment, you always have to deal with strong competition and rivals. Its fierce rival, breathing down its neck, comes from Japan, the Komatsu GD825A. Following closely and becoming increasingly prominent in the global market and in the mining industry is the Chinese XCMG GR3505. Well, those were some brief interesting details about this beautiful machine. Now, enjoy the rest of the video and see you at the end.
завтра вам быстро буду делать.
Well guys, thanks for joining us through this amazing project. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mining adventures. Share your thoughts below and we will meet in the next video.